So that's something I really like to do for myself too. Like a movement could be raising one hand up. So we are in front of the computer a lot. So raising the hand up, breathing in, breathing out. So we do it a little bit slower so that the body joints can adjust to what we're doing. So for sure then we will not injure ourselves. So I can be taking my time, slow down a little bit, and my mind can be thinking about my arms. So I start to connect with my body. I try to understand my body more. Breathe in. How does it feel? Breathe out. Repeat. Breathe in. Nose breathing. Breathe out. Relax. When you relax, you can think about your chest, your abdomen. Are they relaxing at the same time? Now, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So the breath work is not very urgently must have to be done this way or that way. So we are working on how to relax in every movement we do. So when we actually go for more high level Qigong, we actually will be doing less movements and visualize deeper to how to use Qi to move in our body, but still not feeling trapped in a meditation. So it's very interesting when we love Qigong is I'm just following a movement, just a simple movement. My mind on the body, relax me, relax me. So breathe in, relax. Relax my whole body. I can half close my eyes to do. Relax, relax, and relax. So if you like what I do, please check the link below, and then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.